Hi guys, what's up? So Tim and Cooper here, and yeah, in this video I want to show you my new camping hammock. So yeah, I bought a camping hammock from Amazon, and yeah, now I want to test it out. So, but I don't thought about the thing that when we go camping, and with the camping hammock, where should Cooper sleep? So I don't think so that Cooper will go with me in the camping hammock. And yeah, I bought the camping hammock relatively cheap from Amazon. So yeah, and Cooper is very excited that we are in the woods again, and this is Cooper's new best friend, his new stick, and I always have to throw him or not. And yeah, so of course, yeah, like I said, I bought the camping hammock from Amazon, and now I want to test it out, of course. And I'm not too sure if I really use the camping hammock. Or I don't know, but yeah, I think the camping hammock is really great when I go without Cooper, for example. Then yeah, you only need 2 trees. You are from the ground away, and I think when I go camping with Cooper, then yeah, I will show you my camping tent. So I also bought a ground tent. I will show you in the next video. And yeah, so this is what we want to test out in this video. And yeah, here Cooper again with his stick, and he's so excited about it. There's Cooper. No, he got him. So yeah, and now the problem is to find the right tree. So let me show you real quick the instruction. So the instructions for this camping hammock are not that great. So I hope you can see this a little bit here. It says the only thing I can see is the attachment for the straps is 5 feet high or 5 feet above the ground. So this is not the problem, but I cannot find the distance between between the trees, the tree stumps. So this is my problem right now. I cannot see this here in the instruction manual thingy here. And yeah, so of course I don't research this how this works, but yeah, now I have to throw the stick again. Cooper is so excited here. So I thought about these trees here, but I think these trees are not that. I don't know if these trees are far enough away from each other, and I think yeah, only for testing. So and yeah, these both trees here, they are definitely too far away. And yeah, here are so many trees, but yeah, I don't know. Or in our temporary base here, let me show you. Or these two here. So here, or these two, they are a little bit more away from each other, and yeah, I think these trees are, I don't know. So I will let me know in the comments down below how far the trees have to be away from each other. So yeah, I will try these trees here, I think. And if this is not working, if these trees are too close to each other, then yeah, I will test the other one. So yeah, first I will test these two and see how this works. So I never assembled this camping hammock, and yeah, I will show you. So yeah, I will show you. Let's do it. Well, let me show you real quick what's inside this box, or when you order this camping hammock, and yeah, of course I will put the link to this camping hammock in the video description down below, so you can check it out. I got it from Amazon. Yeah, check it out. And I got these straps here for the tree. So yeah, this is what I understand. And I got this cool manual here, and then this is the top cover. I don't know the word right now for this. Yeah, the top cover. So I choose this in military camo. I think this is good. And then yeah, this is the main hammock. So nothing too special, and I think this should be really easy. But yeah, we will see. So, and I think now I will use these both trees here, these trees. So I think these are a little bit further away from each other, and I think this is better. Yeah, so I showed you already what's all included in the package. And yeah, I think now I will place the camera something, yeah, here, and then yeah, you can see me build the camping hammock. And yeah, please don't laugh. So this is my first time building or yeah, mounting this hammock. And yeah, let's see how this goes. So great, now we have a little problem here. So the trees are too far away from each other. Here you can see I cannot reach the tree completely. So yeah, for the next try, so we definitely have to place the hammock on the ground so that we can see if the space between is enough or not. And yeah, so then I think it's pretty easy. So I don't know if you saw this on the time lapse. So we have a little, wait a second, I don't know, yeah, here we have this, and this is I don't know, we see. So let's move to another tree, or maybe, wait a second, what's with this? Too far away. Great. So then come on, so it's not that easy with one hand. Let me, god damn it. Okay, now. So now, perfect. Now we have to, but now I know that we have to look for tree stumps that are far enough away from each other. Let's see here, these two trees. Maybe, yeah, this. Look at, whoa, god damn it! I almost fell here. So look at these both trees. Perfect. I think these are perfect. Now let me grab these thingies here. You know what I mean? These. And this one was not so easy to get this around the tree here. Maybe you saw this. And let me grab this and this. So then let's move to this tree, and yeah, let's do it again. But now I know yeah, how to do it. And yeah, so now, okay, now it's pretty easy. So I will put you back in time lapse, and yeah, then we will see how this goes. So I think I'm ready. I did it. So, and this, wow, this is really cool. So this is really comfortable. So yeah, it feels really good. So, and I definitely think you can sleep in it, and there's enough space, um, yeah, for a blanket or something like this. But my mistake is, I think these straps here, they have to be a little bit higher so that you go around the tree and on the other side as well. But yeah, it definitely works. So it protects you from mosquitoes or something like this. It definitely works. But yeah, the next time these straps here has to be a little bit higher. Here, something like this, a little bit 1 feet above, 1 feet above the big strap here, and then it's perfect. Yeah, and let me wow. Tree stumps. Let me show you. So this is, of course, to get in. It's a little bit. Yeah, here you can see now we are in, and it is really comfortable. Let me put my feet in here. So now you can see, and wow, this is really really comfortable. So yeah, this is really cool, and yeah, I really like it. And then you can, of course, show you. Then you can close the net here, the mosquito net, and yeah, if you have something on the top, so this tarp, then this is really great. And for this money, for $40 or $50, I don't even know how much, it is really great. So, and I don't think I will mount this rain cover right now, but yeah, here, let me show you on the instruction manual here. So of course this is yeah, more than easy. You simply have to put another strap on this, and then to this tree the strap is of course included, and then yeah, you mount it in the yeah, on the ground here, you can see. And then this is the result. So yeah, I think this is pretty easy, but you can see how good this is packed right now. So, and I don't think that I can pack it this way when I unpack it. And here you can see also, here are these metal thingies for the ground. I don't know how what the English name for this is. I hope you can see this. Here are these metal ground thingies. So yeah, and I think yeah, now you can see how this works, and yeah, I'm really excited about it. So this is super easy. If you've done this once, yeah, of course you have to try this, and then it is pretty simple. So you lay the hammock on the ground, and then you can see if the tree stumps are far away or are in a good position to each other. And yeah, then it is really simple. You put these thingies around the tree, and then you hang the hammock in here, and then yeah, it's ready. So Cooper is also really excited. And yeah, so let me know in the comments down below what you think about this hammock. I really like it. I'm the price for this hammock and what you can do with this is really great. So yeah, I am pretty excited, and I think this is a really good budget camping hammock. So it's really easy to set up in less than 5 minutes. And now Cooper is barking. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. So then let me know what you think about this camping hammock. Do you like the camping, or do you use camping hammocks, or do you like ground tents more? I'm not too sure what I will use for camping if I go with this. And yeah, the problem is with Cooper, I think for this reason a ground tent is much better. I don't know, but I'll let you know in the video. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. Do you have any experience with camping hammocks? Do you like them? Do you like ground tents even more, or so on? So yeah, I think that's it for the video again. And please like the video, give me a like, and give Cooper a like. So Cooper is really happy about every like and every subscription. So this is our new camping channel, and yeah, thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.